everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this comes with a 4-pack and I got the 5x7. This is how they come packaged. It does also have like a little installation manual as well. It comes with these little hooks to where you could hang them up. These are actually quite nice. Now you don't have to hang them up. You can also just lay them on a table, which is what I plan on doing. This is what they look like. So to open it up, you can see it has these little back things, and you're just going to slide these upwards and then these ones downwards. And that's what's going to open them. And then this is going to come right out. You have a little fake picture in there. You have a little border thing if you want to keep that. And then this is Plexiglass, or yeah. So it's actually like plastic. I think that's how you say it, Plexiglass. So you don't have to worry about them shattering, which I really like that because I have like regular glass frames and I live in California. We have earthquakes. And so you really don't want glass frames here, just in case you have a big enough earthquake, you don't have to worry. And I have 4 kids, so they're always dropping them. So I've actually had picture frames break. I like this because you're not going to have that issue. I'm just going to show you what it looks like with the picture that it comes with right there, because that's a super cute picture. And so what you would do is you would put your picture, you can keep it like this, or you can actually put the frame border depending if you want a border or not, or you can keep it like that. I'm just going to put the frame on since it did come with it. And you don't have to take the frame off. If you want to switch your pictures out, you can always just put this on top as well of that, and then you don't have to worry about, like, if you did decide later on you wanted to keep that frame, you can totally do that. So then you're going to put the glass on top, just like that. And then you're just going to place it right back into here. And then seal all these corners up. And that is what it looks like. Super duper cute, and just great. I like the fact, like I said, that it's not glass, that it is plastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. And then you have the option to hang it up this way or this way. You can see these little things right there, depending if you want to hang it up with these. I just plan on keeping them like this, and even with this you can either do it this way or this way. That's why it has the slants on both sides. So just a really cute picture frame. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.